A pastor in Cameroon gave Tanganji serious warning concerning his intention to close down some churches that are not authorized. And I'm going to allow you listen to the pastor at the end of this video. That will not be long. And before we do that, I am calling the attention of the pastor because he is saying that generally. I believe Christianity in particular, many people jump into it because of the immediate money and the money behind it, because that is one of the easier way for people to become rich. And that is the main reason why anywhere, even in Europe, America, you see people are opening churches but every blessed day. And in all these countries, the government, they are regulating them. They are regulating churches. Even in Rwanda, you heard about they closed down more than 4,500 churches that were not authorized, because anybody at any time, some people will go and enter the evil society, doing but their spiritual issue in the name and cover it in the name of church. The authorization that they are talking about in Cameroon concerning churches is not something that is very difficult to get. It's just to table the necessary document and present to that if anything happened, that may be something like what happened in Kenya, where one person who was called Mackenzie came up and created a church, and he asked, he said his own doctrine is that everybody have to see Jesus. You have to go on fasting until you see Jesus. And before the government of Kenya realized that this is what the man was doing, 400 and something people was already dead. And he buried them without informing their families in a mass grace. So these are the kind of issue that you see government interfering. If churches were truly the body of Christ, the government would not be intervening. If Christianity was all about preaching the word of God, preaching the gospel without holding on to money, the material part of it could have been all better. There would be, maybe everybody could have been creating churches and then the government seeing into it. But because money mongers took advantage of the frustration and the problem that Cameroonians are going through or people are going through to be creating churches, you just gather 2-3 people and then you have go put your hand somewhere and come and be doing miracle for them. And then in the name of church, I believe this is the main issue that the government is holding on to. The government has not said that what they will close down all churches. The government says they will close down all churches that are not authorized. Meaning, if you are not authorized, the first thing you have to do is to go and make sure that you are authorized. There is no country that any organization, even non-governmental organization, you operate without an authorization. There are some that they even sign a contract. Like here in Cyprus, when your contract expire, if they wish, they extend the contract. If they wish, they cancel, they terminate the contract, and that is all about the organization. So in all countries, they do it. So as a pastor calling on Tanganji that you should allow churches to stop attacking, Tanganji was not attacking churches. I am one of the person that stand against the government of President Pobia, but it should not be that you should take advantage that everybody hates the government and you bring anything up for people to support you. No. This one I don't support. I'm going to allow you listen to the pastor. And before you do that, remember to subscribe and also share this video. We are trying to make our society better. I quite remember in 2010 or 11, they discovered a church in Bamenda around Longla, where some people came there and opened a church without the knowledge of the government. And they came with women there and they were producing children. And before they break in there, the military police break in there, they have already produced many children and they did not know where the whereabouts of some other children that they gave birth to them before. They were selling them in the name of church. So these are the things that I encourage the government to. It should not just be something that they will go and be closing down churches. They should do their investigation to understand that this one is. Even churches that has authorization but are not following, they are not doing the work of God, but they are exploiting they should take their license. That is what I hold on to. So listen to the pastor and also remember to drop your own.
Monsieur Antanganji, à tout l'honneur, tu es ministre.
Oh, now you are a ministry.
Papa, là où tu veux te lancer là, Papa Antanganji.
Where you want to give yourself?
Les empereurs se sont aventurés.
People went.
Les forts les plus puissants que
Even
toi,
the
Antanganji,
most powerful
ont essayé. Ne joue pas avec l'église.
Don't joke with church.
Moi, je te conseille, tu es mon père, tu es tout pour moi.
It's my
Mais
father.
c'est
Give a
un
consent.
terrain glissant.
Et c'est terrible.
Jouer avec la foi des gens
Tu
et
joues
la
avec
religion
la
des hommes.
and the religion of
Papa Atangandji.
My brother Atangajin.
Les gens vont entrer dans les chambres, gêner 7 jours. D'autres vont
People,
gêner 21 jours.
they will fast
D'autres vont
in
gêner
30.
40 jours.
Other will 40 days.
Et toi, tu vas voir ce qui va t'arriver. C'est la
And you see
vérité.
what happened.
Moi, je suis petit pour te conseiller, Papa
I'm so
Atangandji.
small to give it consent.
Mais en tant qu'homme de Dieu, je peux te baptiser.
As a man of God, I can
À
baptize
ta
you.
mort, à Tangadji, je
Wait
peux
till
venir
Atangandji.
faire les invocations pour qu'on
To give
change ta situation au ciel.
invocation-
Mais toi, en
invocation
tant
to
que
do.
ministre, tu ne peux
As a
pas
minister.
faire ça dans la vie d'un homme de
You
Dieu.
can't do that in a man of God.
Je peux te donner les saints sacrements,
I
monsieur
can give you
Atangandji.
the sacraments.
On n'attaque pas l'église comme ça.
They don't attack churches.
Nous sommes d'accord avec toi, Atangandji.
We are okay with you.
Tu es bien informé.
You are informed.
Tu as des informations.
You have information.
S'il y a des brebis galeuses,
If there are lost
et
sheep,
puis nous, tu nous envoies.
and you give us.
Nous allons nous occuper nous-mêmes de ces brebis
If
galeuses.
you occupy for those
Pas
sheep
dire
that
que
have
tu vas
lost.
t'attaquer à fermer les églises.
Not to attack to close
Mon
churches.
père,
Father,
mon père,
my father,
mon père,
my father,
mon père, mon
my
père,
father,
mon père,
mon father,
mon père,
my father,
mon papa,
mon
mon ministre que
my
j'aime.
ministry that I love.
C'est un domaine qui est très glissant.
It's a domain now is so slicing.
Est-ce que je parle à quelqu'un?
Am I speaking to somebody?
Je vais encore, peut-être le ministre ne connaît pas ceci. Le ministre ne connaît pas. Nous avons des personnalités dans ce pays
We have personality
qui nous consultent.
that will consult you.
Nous sommes avec eux.
We are with them.
Ils viennent nous voir comme Nicodème est parti rencontrer
They
Jésus.
came to see us.
Alors quand tu trouves les comptes près des églises de veille, toi tu vas venir fermer. Papa Atangandji. Papa, vraiment, je suis même ton fils. L'église.
The church.
D'abord, papa Paul Biya va s'en prendre à toi.
Even
Parce
the
que
father
c'est quelqu'un, c'est un mendiant de la paix.
is a father of
Au
peace.
milieu de tout, Paul Biya veut la paix et la tranquillité. Toi,
He
tu veux
wants
soulever
peace.
les gens.
He wants to come and rise up people.
Parce que certaines personnes stigmatisent les autres. Que tu veux t'aligner pour... Non. Même Hérode, quand il avait vu que c'était faux, il a lavé les mains. Papa, attends quand je lave tes mains.
Raise up your hands.
Je suis mal placé, je ne suis pas ton conseiller. Je
I'm
n'ai
not
même
your
rien à te
counselor.
dire.
I have nothing to say.
Mais un fou peut aussi parler.
But even the
Tout ce
madness
qui
can
sort de la
talk
bouche
to.
d'un fou
What
n'est
comes
pas
out
toujours
from my
synonyme
mouth
de folie.
is just part of madness.
Papa, Atangandji,
My father and Tanganji,
nous prions pour toi jour et nuit.
we are praying to you day and night.
Ce poste-là,
That post,
regarde les problèmes qui ne vont pas au pays.
look at the things that are not going well in the
Je
country.
le dis encore,
I say again.
le travail que nous abattons au Cameroun,
The work that we are doing in Cameroon,
demande qu'on te donne les statistiques
let them give you statistics
du territoire camerounais.
of the
Les dimanches
Cameroon
seulement.
on Sundays.
Qu'on te donne à peu près les chiffres
After
des églises qui sont
the figures,
ouvertes, des personnes, des pères de famille,
the
des
families
intellectuels, des irrétés,
intellectual and
les
illiterate,
ministres,
even the
comme
ministers
toi.
like you,
Chacun, ils vont dans les lieux de culte
each is going to church
pour que nous essayons de les édifier.
so that to edify them.
Papa Atangandji,
My father, Atanyi,
nous contribuons aussi
we continue
à la
here
stabilité,
the truth
à la paix.
for peace.
Dis que tu dois te lever comme ça. Non, Papa Atangandji.
That you stand up a day
S'il
and
te
say,
plaît, je
please,
sais que tu as les informations.
we know you have your information.
Des pasteurs véreux.
There are pastors who
On
are
voit qu'on les
venomous.
arrête.
Don't make-
Dis que les papiers. Une autre vérité, c'est que
They are not trees that
pour dire à quelqu'un, tu ne voleras point.
you never
Tu ne
evaluate.
mentiras point.
You never
Ne
steal.
trouble pas à l'ordre public.
Don't
Honore ton père
trouble
et ta mère.
Order your mother,
Tu n'as pas
father.
besoin d'avoir un bac.
You don't need to have.
C'est des choses simples.
They are simple things.
Le vrai christianisme
The true Christianity.
voudrait qu'on conscientise des personnes, qu'on
Conscientise
prend, qu'on prend soin des veuves
take care for the
et
widows
des orphelins.
and the orphans.
Mais si chemin faisant,
But on the
il
way,
y a des brebis galeuses.
there are lordships.
Non, Papa Atangandji,
Please,
vraiment, nous sommes avec toi. S'il faut
are with
arrêter
you.
des personnes et non fermer les églises.
if you want to hold people, don't to lock churches.
S'il faut parler
If you want to
de
talk,
nuisances sonores,
don't
Papa
music.
Atangandji envoie les espions qui viennent à côté de ma paroisse.
Then they come to my palace.
Hein. Lorsque les vents t'emportaient,
When
qui ne sont pas des synapses ni des bars de nuit,
there is you are not
lorsqu'ils haussent le décibel,
as they up
J'ai
to
dit
you,
jusqu'à mon bureau.
right up to my
Papa,
office,
je ne respire pas.
I don't breathe.
Papa Atanganji,
My father and Tangi,
si tu es dans un quartier musulman,
if you are in
même si tu ne
Musulman
connais pas te
quarter,
lever à 4h, 5h,
even not to stand up before
ils vont
them,
te transmettre volontairement
they will transfer to you.
l'habitude de te lever à
Is
4h.
it the habit to
Parce que
rise
tu
up
vas
at
entendre
4?
Allah. Ils vont te dire que Dieu est grand, Dieu est merveilleux.
They will say God is great and marvelous.
S'il faut donc fermer Papa Atanganji,
You want to
ferme les mosquées,
lock the
ferme les
mosque,
ventes
lock even
avant de fermer les
the beer
églises.
parlors and before locking the churches.
Ne t'attaque pas aux hommes de Dieu.
Don't attack a man of
S'il y
God.
a un pasteur qui se comporte mal,
If the pastor behave
les
bad,
autorités sont là.
the authorities are there.
Envoyons, on les arrête,
I'll hold it to
on les
hold it,
emprisonne.
and they prison them.
Ils répondent de leurs actes.
According to
Là,
Acts.
nous sommes d'accord.